Aha, now that's probably working now, right? Can you guys hear me? Good morning, good morning. Damn, 28 people. I was not expecting that. That's cool. That's cool. Hello, hello. Oh, yes, sir. Cool, cool. I just want to make sure that everybody can hear me. Wait. All right, cool, 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 cool. All right, we can start. 1 minute left on the 3 a.m. So 1 sec. I just wanna. That's technically my first live, right? With 34 people. Damn, that's a lot of people. Welcome everybody, welcome everybody. So, loud and clear, perfect, perfect. That's perfect. All right, I just want to see where we are right now on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we grabbed some kind of liquidity here, going above. But the previous week is bearish. I hope the music's not too loud as well. If you guys like, if the music is too loud, I will drop it. Right? Just let me know. All right. Hey, good morning, everyone. All right, cool. So technically, the price is inside the previous week range, right? Like this is the previous weekly candle, so like this is the high, this is the low, so like the candle is like kind of in the middle right now. All right, perfect. So let's drop on daily time frame. Wait, for some reason. All right, cool. So those line here is the weekly high and weekly low, right? Because like last Monday was like here, basically, right? A little you can drop. Oh, okay, 1 sec. I'm gonna try that. That's the thing, I don't really have like an equalizer for that, but you know, maybe I can drop by window straight up. It's probably nice right now, I guess. It's not too bad. Thanks for streaming, love your concept. Yeah, welcome, welcome. I'm glad you're welcome. What chart are we on? Euro USD. So technically, like the euro dollar against the dollar US. As you can see on my corner of my screen on top right. So let's focus on, because right now we just opened the new hour. So I'm gonna go like on the 4 hour. So the first 2 hours of the session, like including the third one, because we are on the third one actually. So they're all bullish and they all respect the previous low, as you can see, right? So look, this candle respect the low of this one that still open but still respect the low over here. So let's go on the 1 hour. So for me, like this vertical line here is the daily open, right? And this range, like this range from here to here, that's a weird arrows, but like this range is my accumulation range. So technically, like what I want to see over there is like a lot of people like trade, like buy, sell, and technically there's a lot of stop loss here. There's a lot of stop loss here, right? So what I want to see is like a manipulation above this eye, like triggering like the buy side liquidity and then going back down, or trigger like the low here and going back up, right? It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. But like right now, we are on a silver bullet opening. So from 3 a.m. So that means from this line here, 3 a.m. you just can see here, 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. we're gonna focus on. It's technically the silver bullet window right now. So daily open, midnight open. I like using the daily open, the real daily open, like the real candle from the daily open, but I use the midnight line as my confluences. So look, example, I can use like this line here and go straight for midnight and identify it, right? So midnight was like here, so that was like the open from midnight, and I can put like maybe, you know, like 0 0 0, and I'll put like 10, and I'll put like the black line, and I'll put like just like a dot line like that. So this is a midnight line. So when midnight open, like the price goes up and still above the range. But, you know, for now we're just waiting. We actually like retracing on the 50% of the range, but like it's not like an entry, you know, so we're just waiting for now. So like I said in the Discord, guys, it's pretty boring, right? But, you know, you have to do the work, you have to check. So we just closed the first, it's 3 a.m. and 5 minutes. So right now we just closed the first 5 minutes, right? So it's fine. We're gonna wait like for the next 5 minutes to get like at least a 15-minute close. So, but for now we have nothing to trade. Like there's no trigger, there's nothing to press, like there's no button to push. Just like we're just chilling, right? Turtle soup maybe? Yeah, that would make sense actually. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So let's check for the PD arrays. I want to see like the previous daily high, previous daily low. But that's the thing, right? Like right now. Okay, so look, that's the previous daily high, previous daily low. That's my FX4 indicator, basically. It's gonna be like this indicator here. It's pretty simple settings. This indicator has been made by 2 degrees on Twitter. I can like put the link eventually. But like for now it's still like, it's not public yet, right? But alright, that's a cool reaction on the 5 minute there. Asian range start from 7 p.m. to midnight. Why are you marking London range as well? That's the thing. You can identify the Asian range and use only the Asian range, but the problem most of the time is like there's always like some kind of liquidity above and below since the open, right? Because like look, the afternoon yesterday, like we ranged still. So what I want to see like is really like a big accumulation box. I just like don't want to take any chance on the smaller, just you know, because like it's like 3, 4, 5 pips difference on the range. So like for me, you know, like this is like a 25 pip range from the open to the, not the close, but like from the high. But we are right now like on this time window. It's always time and price, right? So look, from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. We want to take a decision on where the price gonna go based of like the higher time frame as well. Because look, right now the 4-hour candle is bullish, the daily is bullish as well. The 1 hour is just open, but the previous one was bearish, but you know, still like waiting for now. Can you explain your model? It's gonna be too complicated to explain on a video, but I will do a video eventually about that. Don't worry about that. But like, I give a lot of indices, right, on this stream about what it's supposed to be, but it's basically an accumulation range, a manipulation, and a distribution phase, but like I want to see the trade between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. If we go outside this window, you know, the probabilities the trades go like the good direction, everything, it's, you know, it's gonna be harder at this point. So we waiting for now. This is the second, so we're gonna have like a close of the M5 in 1 minute. As you can see, 16 seconds. So this is like the close of the M5. This is gonna be the last M5 from the 15 minute, right? So we already have like 2 M5 candle print, but I highly consider the last one instead of the first one, you know, if that makes sense. So look, the new candle just opened. But for now, there's no trade because we're still in the range, you know, like this is the range, right? This is the range that we consider like our accumulation, right? If that makes sense. So why we took like a trade in this area, you know, like we're just gonna wait for now. Still pretty early. When are you releasing this indicator? Probably this month. We still have a couple stuff to do on it, like small modification, but also I wanna, you know, I wanna push the indicator with like all the rules and like all the insight about like how to trade that indicator, right? Because if I give you the indicator and I like don't give you like the rules and stuff, there's no point, you know, there's no point. 66 viewer, damn, I was not expecting that, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have it yet, because like, you know, my goal is just to increase the. Do you trade indices? Sometime, but like right now it's London session, right? So I'm just like focusing on AU. AU's like my baby, right? I treat AU like my baby. I trade every day AU, you know. So, and you don't need more, honestly. Like there's like always a lot of setup on AU, but as well like the spread is pretty low, you know. So you use Asian and London as part of the A in AMD. Yeah, kind of. Cause like, you know, I use like the pre-London in the Asian session and like the pre-Asian session. So the whole, this is like literally the new day, look. This is literally the new day, basically. So all the range from the day since like too many long and Forex sentiment. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that, actually. Yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks for reminding me. I used to check that a lot. So look, I'm gonna show you guys right now. I literally like copy paste it. But like right now there 31% people in short, so that means like there's not a lot of people going down, right? But this is the liquidity, guys, right? Remember that. Like retail trader is the loser, right? In the market, always. There's like 95% of people that lose money in the market, right? So I use that like as a confluences, but you know, it's just like an extra confluences. But for now, we can like remember that everybody's going long, so you know, they're probably gonna go for snapping the buy liquidity here, right? Like all the buy stop over there, and like all the sell stop, like example, like all the stop loss from people go short, you know, all their stop loss is above here, stacking. That's what I said, like the accumulation session is like, that's my range here. So this range is like no trade zone, but like, you know, I just want to see like people like stacking position here. Because look, right now there's no like big player. I feel institution not there yet. Because like if they show up, you will see, you know, like that's a huge candle all the time, right? So there's nobody yet. Still pretty early. So 53 seconds before the 15-minute close. So that means like our first 15-minute close from the hour. It's fine. It's gonna be not our first like foundation for the trade eventually, right? Yeah, this one here, right? Wait, why it doesn't work? So this one here was like already like a buy stop, yeah, for sure. But like, I just want to see like another one, you know, just to make sure. What do you consider about weekly profile? But right now we just like Tuesday, right? So look, I can show you the weekly candle, but like, so here's in the indicator, you can like put 1 week, and look, you have your OHLC from the weekly candle. So as you can see, like yesterday, that was a huge rejection here, right? Damn, that was the push yesterday morning at the 10 a.m. Damn, 10 a.m. was crazy. That was the news, right? Too many long, yes. What do you think about weekly profile? I just told you about that. So I'll put that back in daily. Whoops. All right, this is the daily. Yep, this one is the daily. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Did you use the candle with New York midnight open? I used the real one. I used the real one. Look, I'm gonna show you. I don't use the midnight open. I use like the real OHLC. If I go on daily, that's exactly the same. Look, that's exactly the same. Yes, I marked my midnight. Look, my midnight is here. I just like gonna put like the text on the right side, right? So look, this is my midnight line. As soon as midnight open, boom, price goes up. Do you trade silver bullet? Yeah, I'm watching for that. I mean, I'm not trading especially the silver bullet, but like right now, I'm on the silver bullet time window, right? Look, on 3 a.m. and 4 a.m., you know, that's my hour here. But like for now, there's nothing really interesting, so that's why I'm looking carefully here. We're still like inside the range. That's the thing. That's what I mean by trading is boring, bro. Like right now the price is inside the range. We're still in the accumulation phase basically. So there's no trade for now. So I'm gonna go back on the 15-minute. Look, that 15-minute is kind of clean as well. They reject the middle. I'm just not sure what is this line. Oh, okay, yeah, that's the... I'm gonna just remove that. It's gonna be fixed eventually. Why using one day on candle and on PO3? Because you know, like the direction of the dailies doesn't change like instantly, you know. That's the most like relevant candle that you can watch on the side of your small candle, you know. Explain the 50% zone of last day of the Asian session. So basically, look, it's not very complicated. I can go like literally on my, not on my Discord, but like, look. I just don't want to miss the trade as well, but look, I can show you really quickly like that. Look. So this is, you guys can see my mouse, right? Just to make sure. So this is your last daily candle, right? As soon as the new day open, this is the story. You gotta like read the narrative, right? Your first 4 hour was bearish, but they retrace inside the range on a, you know, discount level from this candle here, right? This was like your discount level here. That's a lot of drawing, but like this is like your discount price. Like the algo know If the price retrace inside the range of daily and you return like under the 50% level, and you can see like, but like that doesn't mean, oh, the price is inside the 50%, oh, let's go a buy straight up, you know, like there's no point. You need like more confirmation. So what you want to see basically, and it's not always the same story, right? But this story right now is like, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see like a good bullish candle here, rejecting that level, right? So now, if you have 1 hour candle closing bullish, you can anticipate the next one to push on the same direction, respecting the low of this one, right? That's simple, that's simple. All the candle one by one, you know? So if this candle respect the low of this one, that means you can take a buy around this area and like target like the previous high here from the previous daily, right? That makes sense, that makes sense. And that's exactly what happened on this setup here. But you had the 50% from the H4 as well. So look, this is your H. I'm just going to remove all the drawing, but like this is your H4 high close. This is your H4 low. And as you can see, this candle changed the character on breaking the high of the previous H4. So that means like what you can expect on the next H4 candle is a retracement inside the discount level from this H4, and then the price go back up and retarget the high from this one. That's a buy side liquidity, right? There's a lot of liquidity above here. Like you have all the stop loss from the sellers, you have all the people that want to buy, you know. So here is an important level of liquidity for you, right? So the candle flipped bullish on a daily time frame, as you can see. So this was like your PO3, right? Your power of 3. But you know, just by reading the 4 hour candle and put all the thing together, you know. But I'm gonna show you like more stuff about that eventually. Don't worry about that. Oh, we have a move right now. That's interesting. I'm just gonna identify that still because I feel that is relevant. I'm gonna remove the extension. I'll put my red line. I'll put that, you know, I put an X because liquidity taken out, right? And I'll put like my text on the center. All right, I'm gonna read the chat real quick. But for now, we're still ranging, right? We're still inside the range. There's no trade for now. Watching. Great explanation, thanks. Nice, thank you, I appreciate it. H4 time frame entered a bearish fair value gap and it's dropping to the bullish. Yeah, that makes sense. Silver bullet hour, yes, exactly. We have a 30-minute candle closing in a 7-minute, but as well it's gonna be the 15-minute, right? You have two close on the next 7-minute, so we gotta be focused on that. Asian eye and all eye sweep in London kill zone. Yeah, this sweep. Yeah, I agree with that. Hello, sir. It's been 2 years and trading, earned zero money. Any advice? I'm 21 years old. Oh, you're young, bro. You're young. You still have a long time to do. I'm 32, right? So I've been like through all of that. I don't have primary income. Oh, you gotta find a job, bro. You gotta find a job. That's the first thing. Because even if you like, you cannot trade if your trade depend on your like revenue, right? On your income. That's not working like that. But you know, you can find a small job, like maybe like part-time, and maybe, you know, like get like at least, you know, like the money you need to pay your bill, and then you can like use the trading as a vehicle to going up. Where to get that time close indicator? It's gonna be my FX4 model on my Discord. It's not released yet, but I plan to release this month. So we're still like the beginning of the month, right? So, but I gonna release that this month probably. Don't worry about that. We still have a lot of minor modification to do on it, but like it's pretty much ready. The thing is, I just don't want to release the indicator without the rules and stuff, you know, because I want like everybody to be like understanding everything, you know. Will you consider long below the range? That's the thing, right? I would like to see, because look, I'm gonna identify. I used to have my indicator that showed that, but look, this is, yeah, like I'm just gonna put some line over there, but this is your 50% range from yesterday, right? And I'll just turn it back. Right. So this is your 50% from yesterday. So that could be nice to feel that imbalance here. As you can see, there's like an imbalance here on the 15-minute. So from here to here, right? This is like a massive imbalance. That was like the news. So example, if we go like, if the price go down inside, I'm just gonna put that black because it doesn't like really. If price go down, go back, feel that imbalance like going up. That could be a nice setup to going up actually. Because look, right now the daily candle, the bottom wicks is 4 pips, you know, that make no sense. That means the price gonna go down, feel that imbalance, going up back, and we gonna retarget the high. But still pretty early right now. If you want like maybe to even there, look at the price reacting to midnight open right now. Damn, that's a massive reaction. I'm gonna put an eye on it. But you see how the price react to midnight open? So that means like the algo knows exactly midnight open. Who is it? I'm planning to buy in 06918. 06. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's gonna be your lower from the FVG. That really makes sense. Alright, so we get a watch because in 2 minutes 40 seconds we have like an M30 close and M50 close, 15-minute candle close. So you know, this was might be a grab. We'll see. That looks like. But you know, I'm just reading the candle for now, like the 15-minute break the previous low from the previous 15-minute. That looks good for that. Damn. That actually maybe is gonna be a nice opportunity to go down, but look, the previous daily is bullish as well, right? I don't want to take a, I can, you know, somebody could take maybe a sell below this candle and like invalidate on top of this one and target that give you like a 1-to-1, but because I anticipate the daily to flip bearish, you know, so maybe I can put that for now, but I don't take that trade because I don't like that. Yep, always. Oh yeah, I'm still bearish as well. Look, the price go down. The daily's about to flip bearish. You see that? Look. I can zoom in, but look at this daily candle. It's about to flip bearish, you know. But if I was in this trade, actually, like, I would probably already taking some kind of profit. Because, like, look, this is a nice push, actually. Do you look at the XY? Yes, I look on my second screen. That's all I look. Look, I have the XY, Euro, USD. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. That's all I need, honestly. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. You know, it's pretty simple. So let's go back on 15-minute. Look at this 15-minute. This is an institutional candle. Like, this is like, you know, that's something that's somebody that has like power, you know, in the market. That's not like retail trader, you know, that do this move. Use the previous H1 high and low to predict this current. Yeah, exactly. That's what I do as well. By the way, let's look this. Let's look. Okay, cool. Okay. So look, as you can see here, not change of character, but like we have like break the low of the previous H1. You know, that's a nice push. If we go on the 15-minute, go on the 5-minute, look, you have your kind of retest. Oh, I just moved that. So yeah, the 30-minute candle just closed. So what that mean? That means is we can identify the 50% of that 30-minute. If we retrace inside the 30-minute range and we get like a premium price, that might be an interesting sell. And you have a huge imbalance here, right? Look, we actually retracing. But that's the thing, like the previous daily is bullish as well, so you can sell, but you know, it's so I'm looking here at 50% range from the previous 30-minute candle, trying to anticipate the next 15 and the next 30-minute candle from the same like range, same hour exactly. I mean, so let's see. Okay, price react to midnight open. Go on the 5. So I need to see this 5-minute candle close, because like, you know. Yep. 2:45 Eastern, M15 bearish candle for entry. Yeah, that's smart actually. That's what I do. That's what I do. It's pretty simple, guys. Like all the candle, like print one by one, right? Thanks a lot, man. You have changed the game. Simple stuff. Yeah, I just like, you know, I'm just doing my stuff. Just reading the candle. Like, this is like a language for me, right? Like this candle meaning something, this candle meaning something, you know. Eventually, like your brain like gonna rewire and just like, you know, you can like understand those concepts. Okay, so I don't like this big red box that just like, I'm just gonna put it like this color here. And I'm gonna add some detail on this line because it's a 50% of previous day, alright? So that means under this price, it's a discount for the algo. The algo knows that this is under this line, this is a discount price, right? And I'll put that like maybe black just because I want to be like more clean. Okay, the price react to midnight open. But that's the thing, if you want to take, wait, what the fuck is that? Oh, okay, that's my fair value gap, right? I was like, what the hell? Wait, I'm just gonna put it like, alright, this is my fair value gap on previous daily. Alright, the daily's about to flip bearish again. The price, that 15-minute reject the midnight open line. So, still waiting. What about the 5 minutes? Still open. Close in 1 minute. It depends. Stop loss is always like above the previous high. Yeah, I agree on that. You took buy side liquidity at London Open. For the PO3 indicator, I use the real daily candle. So look. The reason why I do that, because everybody see the same thing, right? Everybody see the same daily. So, you know. But I had like the midnight line open, the horizontal one. Look, I had just put it like here. So, you know. Alright, so we're now targeting the sell side liquidity as expected. I was expecting that move actually. Look, we break the previous M30 minute low. That was actually very clean. Very, very clean. That line that maybe I can put like blue to make like less confusing, but look. This was like the 50% from our range, from our accumulation range, you know. And look how we rejected, you know, so that was extremely massive. Yeah, 4 hour, look, 4 hour, we have like, we got like a change of character here. I put like that, the small one, all right. And if you go back on 30-minute example, look, we break here. If we go on the 1 minute, you know, like look, your price action all there. So we technically, this is not like a turtle soup, but that's the thing. I was like down to take a buy around this area, but it's probably not gonna be this hour. It's gonna be later. Because that's another thing. When the algo like do some crazy move like that, you know, the next day like the algo just want to reprice the price to this level, you know. Just normal. So yeah, welcome everybody. Like 68 people. That's huge actually. I'm pretty happy to see a lot of people here. That's very nice. That's very nice. If you don't like subscribe, just subscribe, like the stream, you know, that help like the algo to push the stream and make it like more like relevant for everybody, you know. And help others people. Do you wait for a change of character? No, not really. I just watch at the I just watch for the candle close. That's all I watch. So look, we technically like touch the low of the day, but it's not enough. You know, I want to see like more. But that's the thing. Even like if I want to take example, if I want to take like a buy in this area example and retarget the high here, that will like put me like that will put me like a huge stop loss. You know, I don't want like. It's still 1.5, you know, but I don't like that. So I'm still waiting for now. How long you have been trading? Since 2015. But I was not profitable at all. I was spamming buttons, you know, like everybody do. When you start trading, bro, you go degen, you know, like you trade for the dopamine. You have no clue what you're doing. You're just clicking button and losing money. That's not fun. That's a casino, you know what I mean? So thanks for doing this for us. I really appreciate it. Plain Princess. Hey, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm doing this for the community, you know, like ICT changed my life at some point. And then, you know, like I want to give back to community like as much as I can. That bring me like some good karma, you know, like I sell nothing, by the way, so you know, I'm living from trading. I don't need like others income. I mean, it could, you know, others income always welcome, you know, but my goal is not to make money of the stream or like out of the group or anything, you know. I just like sharing my ideas, you know, and like seeing people like trying the concept and feel like, oh, you know, that changed like my whole career, you know. That for me it's nice, you know, it feels good. And I feel like this community can be like something big eventually. Just, you know, like just showing up every day, like that's how it works. I don't plan to stream every single day because, like, you know, I don't want like a new job or whatever. Like, I don't need a job, you know. So, but you know, I'm planning to do couple videos. Planning to release the indicator, the model as well. I have a lot of good ideas for this community. So right now, we kind of turtle soup the previous low of the range, but still very small, you know. And there's no confirmation to buy, especially, you know, you don't want to buy on that fucking bearish candle like that, you know. There's a high chance the price go back and just like wipe your stop loss, you know. So you want to see like some sort of bullish candle on the lower time frame. 15 minutes is like the minimum you want to see. I mean, you can go on the 5-minute look. You have one candle bullish. That doesn't mean the price gonna reverse, you know. What you want to see is maybe a 10-minute candle closing bullish that give you like a small foundation so you can like put your stop loss below and like invalidate your trade that way. But like you can go in the 15-minute and wait for a nice 15-minute to close and like, oh damn, you know, like, because if you have like two 15-minute closing side by side, I mean, there's like that's a small consolidation, you know. You don't need to go in the 1-minute time frame. You just can watch the 15-minute and you can imagine what it does on smaller, because small time frame, look, small time frame is just like that, you know, all the time. So if you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you just like, you know, you're just gonna mess up your account, you know. So that's why I mean, like, if you go like on the 15-minute, 5-minute, this is nice, you know. You still have like some good confluences. I've learned a lot from you and you've changed the way I trade. I'm a bit confused because I'm new to trading, but I am on the right track to learn from a great mentor as you. Oh, you're welcome. You trade with founded or with a live account? I have both, but I trade my founded account from my own founded account, basically. Watch live trading is very helpful. Yeah, I'm just, you know, I mean, in my opinion, it's pretty boring, but like if you learn something, I'm glad, you know. I'm glad. Cause like, I don't know. To be honest, like in 15 minutes, if we don't have any trade, I'm gonna close the stream. I will not stay here for the whole day, you know. Cause on certain level, you don't need to trade all the time, you know. You just like take the good setup. And that's what I said by it's pretty boring and shit, you know. And that's what I like from like the founding company that has like no time limit, you know, because if you do like example, like back then, like FTMO was like 30-minute, you know, not 30-minute, but 30 days. So if you don't like finish the challenge after 30 days, you get like punished, you lose your account or some shit. But now, you know, there's no time limit, so you know, it's fine. I have a 50k founded account and 1k on my own account. That's nice, that's nice. But like, you need to be consistent, right? If you start trading on a funded account, you need to be consistent on a smaller account. So what I recommend basically is you deposit like maybe $100, you know, like just 1 or 2 days of work on X job, and you trade that. The objective to trade that 100 bucks is to flip it maybe, I don't know, 2-time example, risking a little bit more, but if you can get like 200 bucks out of this 100 bucks, that means you're technically profitable, and you can take like a funded account from that. And to be honest, don't start with the biggest founded account, right? Start with the smallest one. It doesn't matter. It's the same process at the end of the day, right? I have my founded fix and my Forex found, I think. I like both. They are nice. I just think like no time limit is really like the next level thing, and the prop here, right? But anyways, it doesn't matter, like you don't need like to focus on that. You just need to focus on making a consistent like income. Even if it's $5 a day, if you do $5 a day every single day for 1 week, eventually, like this $5 gonna build up. You can pay funded account with $5. If you do like $5 every day for 1 month, you still have like, look, I can calculate that real quick, but so you see, it's like $100 for a month, but it's the same process, the same exact process as trading like $1 million, whatever, Yeah. No, you don't have a time limit on my founded FX, but anyways, I'm focusing up because right now we just got a 15-minute close, right? If I look at the 15-minute close, it's very clean, nice. But still, I don't like the fact that we just took maybe, look, we just took like 0.4 pips, it's not enough. That's not enough. But look, if we take this 15-minute here, put a fib, look how the price retrace in the premium section. You see that? I mean, it's pretty hard to like highlight, but look, maybe I can use like I think there's a kind of highlighter. This thing, I never use that, but damn, the price go down. Highlighter, you see that? So here's your premium price of the previous 15-minute. It's pretty simple, guys. Look, you take the previous candle high, previous candle low, put your fib, waiting for retracement inside premium price. Boom, price go down. You see that? Easy. But that was like, because that's the thing, that's the thing right now. I'm gonna use my gain box, but look, this is your whole days right now. So what you see, all right, this is the premium price and this is your discount price. So that means right now the algo is technically understanding that actual price of the day is cheap, it's kind of cheap, but that doesn't mean the price gonna go in buy mode. You gotta wait for more confirmation. Damn, I just delete the fib, because look, that's another thing. If I use this box and I use this one here, the last 15-minute, right? So now I can remove that fib. So look, price retrace in premium price, and boom, price go down again and retarget the sell side liquidity, right? Look, retarget the sell side liquidity. But that's the thing. If you took the yesterday high and low, this was the yesterday high, this was your yesterday low. We are technically still on premium, and our idea is to fill that fair value gap on daily, right? This fair value gap from this week to this week here, this this fair value gap, that fit with the repeated raise, the 50% from previous day, right? This is technically your OB, right? But you know, you don't need that for now because it's still early, right? But that's the thing right now, our silver bullet time window from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. finish in 10 minutes. So you gotta wait for now. Look, is it time for going long? Because look, you have 1 5-minute bullish, but you know, that's a very small confirmation, right? It's a very small confirmation. So for me, I don't go buy, you know, I don't go long for now. Still like waiting, unfortunately, because trading is boring. Now remember that. I'm gonna read that chat. Welcome everybody again, right? I'm very glad to see like 67 people here. I was not expecting, I was maybe expecting 5 to 10 people, you know. But it's like 7 times my expectation, right? So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's technically I mean, I have done like 2-3 live stream on my channel, but like there was like maybe 1 or 2 people watching. Even like I was like streaming with 0 people. That's why I was like putting a goal of like 1K people on my channel, just to make sure if I launch a live, I have at least, you know, 5 to 10 people watching, so I don't waste my time, you know what I mean? So that was the goal of 1K subscriber, and we reached it like in 1 month. So I lost my candle on the side. What is the name of the indicator? If you go on the Discord, I'm gonna post the link of the Discord. So you go on the fix4model.com. You see there's like, wait, maybe I can move that a little bit. I just seen that. So look, I can move that a little bit on the side so everybody can see better. I'm still adjusting, right? I'm the new streamer, you know, like eventually maybe if we reach like 10K subscriber, maybe I gotta use the cam, you know, and shit. We'll see. That could be a nice goal. So go into Discord and see the section SMC indicator, the #1 section on the Discord. And the indicator of PO3 is there. This one, the big candle. So everything is there. Watch live trading is best. Yep, I agree on that. Yes, I treat my own 1K as a saving account and don't trade on that account. And for the 50K funded, I only consider the daily loss limit. Wait, no, oh, wait, are you risking 2.5K per day or something? Or you're just like risking less, probably, right? Okay, so look at this 15-minute now. That's like my my biggest not concern, but like that's what I'm watching right now. So that's a nice look that we just but like I don't really believe in that setup, you know. I don't want to buy here and just getting drawdown later because the price is going to reach 50% of this. I don't feel, I mean, that's nice turtle soup here, but it's very small, you know. That's just like a little touch. So I'm still waiting for now. I'm still waiting. I don't want like take a sell. I don't want to take a buy, retarget the high, and just, you know, getting stopped out. So, you know, I prefer, you know, chilling for now and relax. Because if we go on the 15-minute, that candle's not closed as well, you know. We still have 6 minutes. That candle, look, that candle can close like that, you know. That candle can literally close like that. I mean, from here, right? Because right now it's bullish, everybody's buying, but look, that candle can flip like that, you know. It's not closed yet. We're still gonna wait. And the candle, that M15 still respect the previous M15 high as well, you know. That's another thing. So for now, we're just chilling. I learned to be patient and not entering all the time. That's a very good quality on trading, to be honest with you. Everybody's spamming buttons, yeah. Please check the monthly chart. I can put this candle monthly if you want to see that. So look, the monthly chart, the monthly candle flip here, bullish. But that's still only the only reason. Oh, I mean, no, that's still a decent high here. But clearly, I feel that the algo's gonna go grab the yesterday 50% eventually later on, maybe next hour, and you know, just retrace, come back up, because there's no way the candle's gonna leave like a huge imbalance like that on the market for no reason, you know. If we watch the 30 minutes still bearish, so you know. That's what I said, like 5 minute, 15 minute, it's pretty like, it's a small confirmation, right? Where's your Discord link? Just click on the, look, I can maybe post again the link so you can see. Click on this link and that gonna bring you like on my kind of website. It's like an hub that all the thing is there. Do you advise to use ICTI time frame candle? Yes, yes sir. That's very good actually. That extremely good. Because look, you can go like on the daily here, and boom, you know your daily. What is it? You know, like right now the daily candles flip bearish. You know, so if your daily candle is bearish, and you don't have like a confirmation to go along, there's no way to go along, right? So look, in 3 minutes and 3 minutes 13 seconds, we have three close, M15, M30 candle, and H1 candle. Like there's 3 kind of major candle that are gonna close, and there's still like 1 hour left on the H4, and the last H4 is bullish. So if we check the last H4, I'm curious. All right. So the last H4, okay, for we break the last H4 low. So let's see. Let's see. The 30-minute candle flip bullish. My BS for the week. I think the price gonna go up this week. Today, 2 H4 candle open high. Can we expect bearish closing on AU today? Yeah, it always depends of the expansion move, right? You're gonna get like an expansion move maybe in the next couple hours, or you're gonna get your expansion at New York time, around like New York Exchange open, New York Stock Exchange open, you know, the stock market. So yesterday, like that big expansion here was like at the 10 a.m. That was in news, but like that was all the thing at the same time. All right, so look. All right, we'll see. Because look, right now the price range right now, like there's 2 15-minute closing side by side. What does that mean? That means there's a consolidation. So look, this is like, oh, this is black. Maybe I can put like red or whatever, but look, this is a consolidation. This is a consolidation, and when you break the high here, that was like your move, you know. But like this is not like a good, like, just an example, you know. But now you have two candles closing side by side. I mean, the price is still inside the range from the previous 15 minutes. So there's no trade. There's no trade. We're just waiting. It's boring, guys. It's boring. I tell you guys, it's boring. It's extremely boring. But, you know, I think that's pretty good for content. People learn from that. Do you do Nasdaq? Not really. Not really. I just need like one good currencies. Like I think Euro USD is nice. Cause like the spread is very low, you know. So example, you trade with a lot of big lot size or whatever, like it's perfect, you know. Like there's no spread, you don't get slip, you know. All right, so look guys, new H1 open, you know. So let's look at the previous H1, all right? So this is your previous H1. If we put our 50% on the previous H1, so okay, that's perfect. Okay, so that means if the price retrace inside premium of previous H1 and we see some sort of you know, rejection in this area in the middle, 50%, I might go take a sell and retarget that sell side liquidity, anticipating like the price to go down. But for now, we're just waiting, you know. We're always waiting. So let's jump on a 15-minute, maybe 5-minute. I can watch a 5-minute, but I don't want to trade 5-minute. How can you manage your emotion? It just become with the time. It's just a matter of time, you know. It will come with the time. If you know exactly what you're looking for in the market, there's no way you can be emotional, you know. There's no way, because like, I mean, it's always the same thing, you know. It's the same thing every single day. So that was our 3 a.m. open. So I'm gonna just switch that to 5 a.m. I don't think that I'm gonna stay like couple hour here, but you know, I'm just want to give you like a framework. So if you guys want to see that for the next hour, that could be great. You see the XY? Yep. I see it on my other screen, but I can show if you want. So look, the daily candle is flip bearish. Is it the daily? Yes, it is. So look, I don't really believe the daily is gonna have, what is it? What is this small range? It's 1 pips? 1 pips top wick? No, I don't believe that. So look, this is like a liquidity grab, and then, you know, but still. Okay, so okay, interesting. So look, the price doesn't reach the 50% from previous H1, so there's no sell for now, you know. There's no sell for now. We're just gonna wait. Still waiting. Still waiting. This is boring, but you know, if you read the story, you know, like you go candle by candle, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you know. Look, there's 3 candle. There's literally 3 candle of 15-minute printed side by side. That means the price is ranging in this area for you know, like 45 minutes, you know. So why would you take a buy or a sell here if the price is just ranging, you know? There's no point, you know? Damn, okay. This is the new H1 open, right? So look, if we go in the H1, look, damn, we fill the whole wick. But look, let's start looking good. Let's start looking good. This is what you want to see right now. Like, this is the sell side liquidity, right? Okay, so what does sell side liquidity mean? Can somebody type that on the chat? What does the sell side liquidity mean for you? What does that mean? When I say like this is a sell side liquidity, what does that mean? This zone is like a sell side liquidity. Like, anybody can know that? All right, nobody know what is a sell side liquidity, I feel like. But all right, I'm gonna explain that, no problem. Sell stop of people that went long, buy stop taken out, sell stop. Oh, you see. All right. So cool. You guys know. So this is this section here. What you anticipate basically is a lot of stop loss, right? A lot of stop loss and a lot of people that want to go short, you know, like a lot of people that put like a sell stop. But also I'm gonna explain something, right? I don't know if people know that, but I'm gonna explain something crazy right now. This is huge. This is an example, all right? So if you want to go long, all right? You want to go long. This is your This is your take profit. This is your entry. And this is your stop loss, right? All right. Let's start. Price goes up. Price go down and draw down. Price go back up. Price go back down. Go price up. Eventually, oh, there's some side of liquidity here, so stop, you know, and stop loss. But your own stop loss is here, right? So if the price go and draw down and come back and go back and draw down and break your stop loss here. Oh, I just fucked up. Wait, okay. Okay, that's weird, but you know, maybe I can put like, okay. I mean you're out, right? This is your stop loss, okay. Well, yeah, but FX, I don't learn anything, you know. Yeah, but this is what I'm gonna explain. Your broker, depend of your position as well. But if you have a small position, example, all right, your stop loss is 500 gold. Is not 500 gold, but $500 or 1k bucks, or example, $100, whatever. Do you think your broker is gonna close your real position here? You know, do you think it's gonna put your real order on the market? It will not. It will just like, okay, so this guy's stop loss is here, perfect. Look what I'm gonna do, all right? I'm gonna go short. If this trader go short here, so what I'm gonna do like with that's made with an algorithm, right? But look, he's gonna put like, he can put like a 50 lot here short. So what does that mean? If your stop loss being hit, what they're gonna do, they're gonna put a short here and try to cover your loss, you know, and you cover your loss. So if they put 50 lot here and you're losing, example, $100 here, but look, they're gonna do your $100 and couple pips here, boom, and they're gonna pocket your money. You know what I mean? That's what like the broker do basically. If you play with small position, of course. If you have like a 60k, a real 60k USD stop loss, they will not do that. But they have the capital to do that. You know what I mean? This is a broker. You know, this is a broker. So what that means, a sell side liquidity. If this is your sell side liquidity, that means there's a lot of stop loss here, but as well, like the broker is gonna put the inverse of your position, you know, to bank your money instead. So when your stop loss getting hit, that means they go short. They go short and they cover your loss basically. And if they can cover your loss with couple pips, they're gonna take your money, you know. So they don't lose money and they take money. They take your money basically. But that is made like with an algorithm. And if they go in profit, they're gonna make commission on that, you know, basically. I hope that was clear. That was maybe not clear enough, but I can maybe like do a Twitter thread on that eventually. All right, so just let's watch that. This 15-minute candle sweep the low of those candle and come back inside the range. Look, we're still printing side by side, but we're gonna wait 4 minutes. There's 5 minutes left for that candle to close. This 15-minute here. If this 15-minute close inside the range and the next candle bullish break the high from this one, we might be able to anticipate a buy and retarget the high, you know, the high. But for now, we're still bearish, of course. Alright, so you guys know exactly what it is. Sell stop taking out and buy stop, clean stop order. Sell stop retail stop loss. Sell side liquidity means sell stop of trader below the swing low. Stop loss. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. But right now, just to following the narrative, we are 5 pip from the previous day 50% low. Not 50% low, but 50% of previous day range. What does that mean? That mean here, this is a discount price compared to yesterday, right? So that might be a nice, this is actually a very nice PDA raise. This one, 50% from previous day. So example, I'm gonna give you an example because I'm gonna close the stream maybe in 15 minutes. But look, if you get like a nice H1 candle closing bullish, look, I'll give you a good example, right? If you get like, I'm just gonna remove that. A good like candle like that, right? And it respect the PDA raise here. Like you get like a nice wick like that, you know, like you respect that. So what you can do, you can use the 50% of that range, and the next candle you wait for retracement into discount. You go long, but not even go long. You go long here. Put your stop loss below this H1 bullish, and you can target 1 to 1, 1 to 2. You know, like the more risk reward, the less probability you have to close that trade. But you know, that might be it. This is just like a suggestion, right? This is no trading advice, like no no signal, whatever. Just, you know, just my thoughts. Is there any question that I can add, that I can reply just before that I end up the stream? Because I don't want to do like a 2-3 hour stream, you know. It's been already like 1 hour and 1 hour and a half. So, you know. That doesn't mean that I will not trade later on, because I still haven't taken anything for today. But, you know, I'm still waiting. I'm still like watching, observing the story. There was like, so that was actually not a bad sell. That was not a bad sell. If somebody took the sell here, considering like that buy side liquidity from this high, that was actually not bad. If you take this short, that was not bad. And I'm glad you took it because that was clean. Thanks for the explanation, May. Very helpful. Also very good to see you. Just wait. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody. Because, you know, like, when is your model coming out? Probably this month. That's gonna be a very simple model. And the rules gonna be like very, very precise. So, you know, you can get like a good trade out of that. I wish like everybody's can make money every day with that model. Will you do another New York session live stream? Maybe not tomorrow, but eventually, yes. I personally, I really like trading London session because it's straight up after my accumulation range, right? But, you know, maybe I can do a couple New York stream as well. That might be a good idea, to like join more people and help more people. That's my goal always, right? Like the goal of those live stream, the goal of this group, the goal of like the model, the goal of all of that is to giving back to the community from ICT, you know? Because I feel people are smart enough to like get all this information and use it like to their own benefit, you know, and I feel that make me feel good, you know. If people use all of that and they respect the rules and shit, damn, that's so good. That's so good. That's so powerful. So look, we are straight up like going for 50% from previous day. Like the algo right now is like kind of repricing that fair value gap. So let's see. Still pretty early, right? It's 4 a.m. Still have like 12, 13 hours before the daily close. You know, there's a lot of story like eventually. If you lose money in a day, you try to recover it or wait next day. Alright, so if I lose money on a trade, I close everything and I get the fuck out from my screen, from my computer. Or, I mean, it depends, you know, it depends. If it's a small loss, it's a very small loss, maybe I can give a second chance to my trade, but that's it, you know. There's no more trade than 2-3 per day, you know, because like if you start clicking button, you can go deep, you know, you can go deep. And the more you go deep, like the more your state, and the more like your main ID is not there anymore, you know. Like if your main ID was to going short, the time's going forward, you know, like the clock's going up. And like your main ID is not there anymore. So basically you're just like gambling at this point, you know what I mean? That's a lot how you structure the knowledge in the chat. That's a great bless. Thank you, appreciate the message. It's very nice. Can you explain this with OHLC? What do you mean? I mean, I know what's OHLC, but I mean, what do you mean? What do you want me to explain? I'm just not sure. Oh, by the way, if you haven't joined the Discord yet, because like maybe, I don't know, like maybe YouTube referred the video, whatever, the live, and you haven't joined the Discord yet, I'm gonna put the link, right? Make sure you join, because I think like there's a lot of value in this Discord. Like there's a lot of experienced people. There's a lot of like, you know, there's a lot of knowledge. I share a lot of my thoughts on the market all the time, even if I'm not live. Like, so hello, I'm new. Do you have a training program, please? Just go on my Discord. I sell absolutely nothing, by the way, guys. I make money with the trading. I don't need like to sell courses or whatever. I don't care, you know. I don't care. So if you are new, you don't know me exactly, whatever, like follow my Twitter. My Twitter is probably my best platform right now. I tried to expand on YouTube. It's gonna take time. Look, oh, price just reached 50% of previous day, so maybe we're gonna get the real setup. Damn, but still, there's a big fair value gap. But yeah, if you're new, like, just go over all the stuff that I post online already, because like I can reply question all the time, you know. And don't I mean, you can DM me, but I don't reply to DM, you know, because there's too many. Like right now, I have like maybe 500-600 fucking message on my Twitter, and it's fine. I read everything, but I cannot reply. You know, like that's gonna take too much time. my goal eventually with FX4 living is gonna be to do like some 1v1 with people, you know. It's gonna be a services, it's gonna be a paid services, of course, because my time is valuable, but it's not there yet, you know. But you know, you can plan eventually, like if you want to take like a 1v1 with me, so we can like share our screen and see where you are on the process, and like just I can like help you for sure, because I've been through, you know, I've done like everything. I've tried all the strategy of the planet. I've tried every single everything, you know. I've been like through everything. Don't worry about that. It's a long process, you know. When you start trading, it's a massive process, but I think it's worth, you know. It's very worth. So look, we have 2 candle close in 9 minutes. So actually look, somebody that took the sell over here was a nice sell. You remember, like I've put like maybe a little short here. I was expecting this candle here, but you know. How long have you been trading? I'm trading since 2015. I was trading crypto at the beginning. I was doing absolutely everything. I was doing like whatever, you know. That was not, in my opinion, that was not trading. That was gambling, right? Because I was doing like not like some good stuff, you know. I was not profitable at all, right? And it's normal. When you start, you click button, you're pretty excited. You know, you have like dopamine rush, like if you play a video game, you know, it's like it's new. Your brain is not like ready for that. But you know, eventually you learn from that. You learn from the other as well. Like that's why I'm here. I want to help the community from, you know, like learning what I've learned in the past and what my experience is. When did you become profitable? In 221, I think. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm a French Canadian, but you know, I'm fluently speak English, no problem. I think like people understand what I say. I maybe have like a small accent, but I think people can understand what I have to say all the time. So guys, if you are not on the Discord, I highly recommend to join. It's free, like there's no fees, anything. Join the Discord, like you can like introduce yourself. There's like a journey section. And it's fine, like if you show who you are, and sometimes like doing that in front of the public, like in front of other people, that increase your confidence level, you know, and like reset your mind. Just like, okay, I just said to a lot of people that I'm gonna be profitable in 1 year, so you know, like it's more serious, you know. Oh, it's very variable. Like when the COVID was there, that was huge, you know, like profit was huge. But I think like all the trader was making money. If you trade like during the pandemic, everybody was making money, you know. What is your name on Discord? FX for living. But as you can see, I'm the admin of this server, so I have a couple friends as well, like Johnny Cash, Nuxel. That's a couple of my friends that trade for a long time with me, and I have trust with them. Like, you know, they can help you guys as well if you have any question. Like, and I'm sleeping or I'm not there actually, whatever. Most of the time, there's always somebody that can reply, you know. And a lot of people was mad the other day because I've put like a 5-minute timer on the Discord, but you know, it's for your good, you know. Like, I don't do that like to be like an asshole or whatever, you know. I just want to make people focusing on the charts, and like I think 5 minutes is fine, you know. Like, you have another 5 minutes to think what you're gonna say next, you know, instead of like spamming and chatting like if that was like a room or whatever. I just want like people like doing like better comments, better like analysis, better like comments, yeah. That increase the quality actually, you know. So before I leave, I'm gonna leave in 4 minutes, alright? That's gonna be the M30 close, the M50 close, those two candle close. The last 30-minute close is bullish. As you can see, like on my previous close on my indicator, I have a green square, right? If I go on the 30-minute, so look, the last 30-minute is bullish, but you know, like this candle like break the low and shit. So I'm just gonna go back on 15-minute. So there's 4 minutes left. That's awesome. The chat is clean. Keep doing that. Yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm just taking care of my stuff. Like I put a lot of time on this community, and I want to build solid foundation. Like everybody, like, yo, I mean, if I was like showing all the lifestyle and shit like from trading, I can like grow this community like 10 times in maybe less than 1 month, you know. But that's not my goal. My goal is to build something like different and something like better, you know. So, you know, if I can like build like a nice community, like in a solid foundation, like good people, you know, like without like advertisement and shit, like just like a real viral, like not a viral, but like just a real foundation, basically just a real stuff. That's what I want to do, basically. Are we in the manipulation state? Yes, exactly. We are on the manipulation stage. As you can see, I can like identify that right now, but look, this here is technically your PO3 for now. This is the previous 50% range. So that means the price grab and discount from yesterday. But now that doesn't mean, oh, we reach 50%. Let's go. Let's buy. Let's press the button. No. Wait. Just chill. You know. Just chill. We want to see 15-minute bullish rejecting the 50% of previous day. You know. So look, I'm gonna draw it. If you see like a nice bullish candle rejecting the previous PD raise, look, I'm literally drawing everything right now. All right, so if you have like this kind of candle closing here, rejecting the 50% and leaving like a rejection like that, there's might be a nice opportunity to take the 50% of that range like that and buy and discount from this candle and going up, retargeting this high, you know, all those high, and see like the daily flip bullish as well. on the higher time frame. But all of that together, that can give you like solid floor, you know. But like right now, if you go on the 5 minute, oh yeah, you have 2 5 minute. Oh, okay. So 5 minute, that mean, okay, so that mean there's a start, there's something. That mean, look, we have another 15-minute close in 50 seconds. So that mean, you know, you slowly have something, you know, slowly have like a foundation for your trade. There's a floor like forming in this area right now. It's not a support, it's just like, it's just a price reversing on a lower time frame according to the higher time frame PDR rate. Look, it's a previous 50% of previous day. If you take like, look, I'll literally do that again, but look, this is your low. This is your high of previous day, the low from previous day. Your previous day is bullish, right? Right now we retrace inside the previous 50%. What that does even mean? That means the price maybe can go up, you know, from that point, from the discount from yesterday, right? So, you know, so we're just watching. So if the next 15-minute close bullish and you want to go try a buy, you can. You put your buy above the previous high, your stop loss on the low of the day, and retarget 1-1 ratio, or maybe 1-2, 1.5, you know. This is 1.5. You know, that might be the play. That might be the play. Just put everything together, you know. All the candle like fit in one of, it's like a telescopic, you know, like, look, if you have like a one sec. Do I have something? Wait, I think this is nice. Yep, look. This is funny actually, but look, that's how it works. That's weird. That's a weird metaphor, but look. You know, like the antenna on a radio, like a small radio, a whole radio, like you have like a telescopic antenna. But candle is the same thing, alright? If your dailies is here, that means you're waiting for the H1 to flip bullish. You're waiting for the 30-minute to flip bullish. And put all together to reach the tip, you know? That's how it works, basically. Look, the candle, like, if you read the story from today, right? And this is gonna be my last statement because my voice is already like broken. But look, this is your daily open. Price accumulating. Okay, this is your silver bullet open. Candle go down. Boom. Price try to go back up, but boom, price go down. Retrace into previous day 50% range. We got a nice reaction on 15 minutes, but the candle's still bearish, right? So we're gonna wait for the next 30 minutes or the next 15 minutes to show us some sort of bullishness in this area, right? And anticipate the next candle. And what I want to see is the price coming back inside the range or accumulation range and like just going back up and flip the daily bullish, retrace into midnight open, and just fill that imbalance here. You know, this imbalance can be valid, you know. It's not like a very good example because, you know, like I don't use like yellow FVG usually, but you know, it's just visual reference. But this is like a fair value gap you have on 15 minutes. That might be filled eventually later on. So keep an eye on that. Make sure to follow the Discord. Make sure to give a like to the stream so that make like, you know, that increase the algorithm from YouTube to show the channel to other traders and help more people. That's my goal always, right? I want to help people to become like something in trading. Even if you make 20 bucks a day, that's my goal, you know. That's my goal. But you gotta do the work, you know. I cannot like, hey, buy, hey, sell, you know. That's not how it works, basically. The low is a 5 minute, so be yeah, 5 minutes, but 5 minutes a small confirmation, right? A lot of people, a lot of traders getting caught in a 5 minute time frame because it's too small, you know. It's the small range. It's literally 1 minute candle. It's not enough. But if you put 3 5 minute together, you have a 1 15 minute. So if you got example, the first 5 minute is bearish, the second 2 candle is bullish, so that means the first candle of 15 minute got invalid, you know. Thank you, everything explained clearly. Yeah, I'm gonna explain more stuff on the next stream. I'm probably gonna do another stream. Let me see that. On Thursday. Yeah, Thursday night. Thursday night, I'm gonna do another one. Same time, 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Silver bullet. Maybe expand, because like I'm a passionate from trading, you know, like it's hard for me, like, hey, I'm gonna stop talking about that, because like, you know, always talking about that. So, you know. Why are you not taking London Open sell trade? Yeah, that was a nice one. But I've missed the trade. I've missed the trade, to be honest with you. I've missed the trade. I was like more right now, actually. If you scalp, that was a nice sell. But overall, on a daily time frame, we are still bullish, you know. Because look, right now we're rejecting the previous 50% of the previous day. But still, we have like a huge FVG here. So somebody that took the short here, I'm very glad that you took it, because like I was like a very nice short. And if you check back the stream, I have anticipated this candle here, because that's my goal. My goal is always to anticipate the next candle, you know. So look, if you can anticipate the next H1 candle, if you can anticipate the next 30-minute candle, and if you can anticipate the next 15-minute candle, this is your trade. This is your trade. You don't need like all the fucking scientist shit, you know. This is your trade. If you know like the next candle's gonna do that move, that means this other candle's gonna do this move, and the other, you know, like if you put everything together, you're gonna get something, you know. You are awesome, brother. Thank you for all the knowledge. Oh, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. So I'm gonna end up the stream. I hope everybody liked the content. I'm gonna post some stuff on the Discord also, like later on. Maybe I'm gonna took the buy on the Euro USD, but I need more confirmation, right? I just don't want to be here for a couple hours. So what I'm gonna do right now, so I'm gonna put like some alerts on my trading view from the low from the FVG and the top from the FVG, and I'm gonna wait for a reaction of that. And I'm gonna take a trade according to that. But you know, it takes time. Sometimes the setup is just long. You know, that setup of short on the 3 to 4 was nice. I miss it actually, but that was clean. That was clean. Awesome stuff. Great stream. According to ICT, Tuesday and Wednesday before the New York session. Yep, that could make sense. That could make sense. Great stream. I appreciate everybody. Like, you know, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I think the community has a lot of potential, and I want to exploit like everything as much as I can, because like if I can help more people, you know, that's for me it's a win. For me it's a win. All right, so cheers everybody, and thank you for coming. If you don't mind, you can share the stream. You can brilliant today. Thank you for all and are doing learning so much. Yes, thanks. Join the Discord. Make sure you are on the Discord, because I think like that's a good platform to discuss about some stuff. There's already some people discussing some stuff right now. Do you know Idro? Not really. I think I've seen a couple of his chart on Twitter, but I'm not too sure, honestly. But I have a couple corporate collaboration that I'm gonna do soon with TT Trade. I don't know if you guys know the TT Trade channel on YouTube. But I'm probably gonna do some backtesting with him. We probably gonna stream some stuff. And eventually maybe he's gonna come on the channel here. That could be very nice, bro. That could be very nice. And eventually I'm gonna have some invite, you know, I wanna... Oh, nice. He's Canadian too? Okay, cool. That's cool, that's cool. You know, eventually I wanna invite people and, you know, doing some kind of a podcast and shit. You know, I think it's nice. I think that could be really nice. As long as everybody, like, learns something, and, you know, like, I just want to provide value. That's my main goal. As you can see, like, if you go on my Twitter, there's nothing lifestyle. It's just value. I just post valuable posts every day. If in my head it's not valuable, I don't post it. You know, it's not worth, you know, because I know, like, people don't want that, you know. Just want to provide value. So, all right. So I'm up off. Live stream duration was 2 hours. You know, I was expecting to do maybe a 1 hour and a half, but, you know, we never know how much time it's gonna take. All right, so cheers, and see you guys later. Thank you for coming.